Hi everyone, I'm Rik.
And I'm Jake.
And back in January 2015, we founded Ruddick's Detail on a simple but powerful premise.
And that is to provide the ultimate detailing service, setting the highest standards in the industry and offering unmatched customer service.
As car enthusiasts, it was never just about the business, it was about the art and the craft of luxury vehicle care.
And over the years, we've honed that craft to perfection.
We're not ones to settle. That's why we're constantly researching, finding the best methods, products, and technologies to serve our clientele.
And our commitment to excellence led us to strategic partnerships with state-of-the-art companies within our industry.
In late 2016, we took a major step. We become certified ceramic coating, window film, and paint protection film installers, ensuring that our customers receive nothing but the finest products here in Florida.
Every vehicle that passes through our doors is treated as our own.
Because at the end of the day, it's not just about the cars, it's about the trust, commitment, and the bond with our clients.
Ruddick's Detail, where passion meets perfection.